A common buzzword that is thrown around a lot these days is digital dentistry. In essence, digital dentistry is just the use of computers as a tool to help us treat patients. Broadly speaking, there are three areas where digital dentistry comes into play. The first comes when we scan a patient. Nowadays, intraoral scanners are able to help us to capture the patient's mouth in a 3D format. This is useful in terms of patient education because you are able to see what exactly we are looking at when we do our exam. It is also helpful for patients who have very bad gag reflexes, for example, because scanners allow us to capture the shape of a tooth, and this information can go to a lab to help us to manufacture a crown. Using CAD software or computer-aided design, we are able to model what we want the eventual teeth to look like, and this information can then be sent over to a printer. That's where the third portion of digital dentistry comes in. This is the CAM portion of things, or the computer-aided manufacturing. Labs are able to use a combination of printing and milling to create a whole variety of dental prosthetics. This ranges from a single crown or an onlay, all the way to a complete denture as well. Over here at the Dental Implant Center, one of the ways that you will see it in action is when you come in for your first patient appointment. We will do a scan of your mouth so that you're also able to join us in taking a look at what's going on in places that you don't usually see. This information can also be stored digitally so that if we need to retrieve it at a later date, we are able to at any time.